Understanding Sleeper's notification and alert settings, customizing alerts to stay informed about your league and players. Sleeper offers a comprehensive suite of notification and alert settings that allow you to stay informed about your league and players in a way that suits your preference. And here's a guide to understanding and customizing these settings. Now, if you're on the mobile, it's a different process. If you're on the website, it's a different process. So once you go to sleeper.com and log into your account, at the bottom left, you can see the gear icon, which is the settings icon. Once you come here, on the right hand side, you can see different options. And if you go to preferences, here first of all, under notifications on website, we only have allow email notifications. So at least for the web version, you want to allow email notifications so that if you receive any type of league update, you will receive an email. However, on mobile devices, you'll find the option to customize notifications for league activity, for player news, for matchups, for general, and so on. And these are the ways on how you can customize notifications on Sleeper and stay up to date with your league. Now, unfortunately, if you go inside that individual league and you click on league settings, we do not have notification settings for that, but you can find the overall notification settings from the profile settings. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.